right, this video now is going to go over how to use the option of categorizing questions. So let's start a new formative, move my face out of the way. I'm going to call this one Categorizing. And when you come here to the plus sign, we're going to add a question and we're going to do categorize. This is something you'd use if you have a bunch of different buckets you want to place things into. So I'm going to just think of a really easy math question. I'm going to ask the students to determine, or how about decide if the numbers are prime or composite. So I'm going to just list a bunch of items. Instead of item 1, I'm going to list some numbers. Let's just do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And my categories are going to be prime or composite. So I would like the students to look at each of these numbers and decide if they're either prime or composite. And the numbers are either one or the other, so there's no wiggle room. Now, as a person designing the question, you have to tell the computer the answer key. So 5 is a prime number, 6 is a composite number, 7 is a prime number. So you're setting up the answer key right here. 8 is composite, 9 is composite, 10 is composite, and 11 is prime. All right. So we have a question where we're asking the students to take the items and categorize them as one thing or the other. So you have, and if you have more than one category, in this case, this example, there's just 2 categories, but you can add categories depending on your question. You can make as many categories and as many draggable items as you want. This is very customizable. So I just want to show you the student preview. Decide if the numbers are prime or composite. They get this icon right here. Answer by dragging the items. So 5, they're going to pick it up and they're going to put it in there. 6, they're going to pick it up and put it in there, and so on. And I believe that the grading option will give partial credit. They'll know if you get, just put 1 in the wrong category, it's not going to grade the whole thing wrong. There's definitely partial credit available on a problem like this. All right, so that's the student preview. Again, you put your draggable items on the left-hand side and you put your categories here and then set up the answer key by dragging. That's it.